recording. You would think I was new at this. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Rhonda and I am in perimenopause, so therefore my brain is two. And I'm starting school. So that ought to be real entertaining. If you guys didn't know, I am going back to school. I am changing up my whole career, going into functional medicine. And if you want to join that journey, check me out on my other channel, Hotmess in the House. Anyways, we are unboxing the Ipsy that changed its name. The way she is so mother truckin' prepared. Anyways, if you're here to judge me, you can see your way out, okay? We're not doing that today or tomorrow, whatever. We are unboxing the Ipsy PR. Did Ipsy knock it out of the ballpark and get it to me November 30th? Yes, yes they did. So shout out to you, Ipsy, for being on top of it. Is it now December 4th when your girl's sitting down to film it? It's a judgment-free mother truckin' sound, okay? But thank you, Ipsy, for keeping this hot mess on your PR list and gifting this box to me. I greatly appreciate it. And can I just say, this is heavy as sin. So this is, I don't know which box. Maybe the December? I'm assuming. If this is your first impression of me, well, you know what? I'm a Gemini and I do have ADHD. So if you like my hoodie, I will try and link it for you guys. I cut off the TikTok shop. Anyways, oh my good heavens, I am already so freaking excited. So because this was sent to me in PR, I am not making my picks. However, you, at the first of the month, the first 3 days, actually do get to make your picks. You would have already made your picks. So we do have a card, not a pamphlet. And this is the Ipsy Play Beauty Spread Joy Last Minute Gifts. And this would be the December box, because this is Build Your Box January, the 1st through the 3rd. Alright. Okay, let me just tell you all, I see Amika dry shampoo, which makes me so happy because I hate to wash my hair. I do. I really do. I work out all the time, and therefore I obviously have to wash my hair, but I rely very heavily on dry shampoo. And Amika smells freaking amazing. Their dry shampoo is great. I don't know what the frick I'm sniffing, but anywho, I got a full-size mother truckin' Amika. That makes my heart so happy. So right off the bat, you're rocking a 10, Ipsy. I appreciate that. Now, there are different boxes you can choose from when it comes to Ipsy, which I will leave an affiliate link in my description box for y'all if you are interested in looking into the other ones. This particular box, you are going to get to customize a lot of the products in here. Ipsy does customize some too. And this is a monthly box, and everything in this box monthly is full size. Now they do have another bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag, which they probably changed the name on that one too, and it's gone like a fart in the wind. That one is less expensive, and that is more like fun size products. And then of course they have the quarterly box, and they changed the name on that. Listen, if you're here to help me, could you just leave the names in the comment section, and I will actually leave them in the description box, and I will pin it in the comment section with my affiliate link. And thank you if you trust me enough to use my affiliate link. I appreciate that. We have no foam. We do have paper. What is this? Ooh, I got the Fenty Beauty Rose Amber Gloss Bomb. Oh, let me just tell you, I have gone through my makeup collection, and I was pulling out long lost loves, aka Rhonda was going through mental things, and the way to make my dopamine fix happy was to overconsume a lot of things given different points of my life that I was going through things. Turns out I bought a lot of Fussy and a lot of the Fenty gloss bombs. However, I did not get this one. So I've been using the Fussy Gloss Bomb, and now I get to add Rose Amber to my collection. That is freaking gorgeous. Reminds me a lot of Hot Cocoa, which I found is also in my collection. It is. So it turns out mental health is doing well today. If you leave me an asinine comment, that may change. Oh God, that smells so good. Oh, that is beautiful. This is the oil. Now, if I had really listened to myself, I bought gloss bombs, a lot of them. I don't have the oils. That is really comfortable. I really like that. I really like that a lot. And I feel like I can smell it. And I love good smelly things. All right. Next in here, we have the Saneige. Why was that so hard? My brain to mouth could not compute. AI. Peptide serum. Like, did you guys see the struggle? Let's get a replay editing, Rhonda. Yeah, so this is new to me. It's a Refine and Revive Tripeptide Niacinamide Caffeine. Well, 'tis the mother trucking season of everything drying the freak up. My under eyes are struggling, so I'm excited to try this. And I'm out of just about, like, I am squeezing the last of the last out of my, I think it's Peter Thomas Roth, that it's actually one that works for my under eyes without making them over dry. So we will see how this one works out. If you guys have used it, tried it, tested it, let me know down below. What else is this? This is something large. Oh, Say Beauty. I've been wanting to try them. I have been wanting to try this brand. This is a glowy super gel lightweight multi-purpose illuminator in Rose Glow. We're gonna just be a follow mother trucking glowing holiday today, baby. Oh, I have seen people online using this. Okay, here's what I'm liking so far. It's not sticky and tacky. It is not over the top glossy, and it did not just give my hands any type of texture. It gave it more of a radiance versus, can you see? It almost like smoothed it out. Okay, can you dip my whole mother trucking body in this? Honestly? Can you use this not only on your body but on your face? Use as a glowy prep step. Mix it in with your skincare or your foundation or all over luminizer. I want to use this on my face because the way it smoothed out my hand and gave it this really pretty. Oh, you best believe I'm going to be drenching my face and neck in this because I am a texturized ancient antique goddess, and I feel like this is going to be a mother trucking game changer. How many times can she say mother trucking in a video? Don't you worry, it'll probably be said some more, so if you're getting offended, you might want to click away now. I really like this. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, it's not drying. This is going right upstairs with me, and I will be using it on my makeup. Yeah, no, that is beautiful. I feel like, too, this is going to be gorgeous on your décolleté without adding any texture. Or it's almost like it fills in fine lines. Oh, I can get down with this kind of stuff. I honestly, the first thought was like, oh, great, something else that is going to show off my texture, my fine lines, and my dry skin. Nope. That freaking smoothed it out and gave it a nice, healthy, radiant glow. Yes. All right, moving right along, we've got Real Her. Did not even know this brand still was in existence. You are brilliant. Thank you. All right, this is the Pro Blush Palette. Okay, I'm down for this because I feel like we have not seen a blush palette in a hot minute in our Ipsy. Dang, okay, Ipsy. Like, let's be so for real right now. This is the last box of the year. All right, so my first thought at the case. I have obviously not opened the case. Honestly, I don't know a lot of Real Her, but my first impressions is it's very much giving Justice, or what was that one called that I used to take my kids to? Libby Lou. You guys remember that? Libby Lou. It's kind of giving me that kind of thought, but this is not, nobody cares. Okay, so opening it up. Okay, here's what I will say. Normally, I feel like we are being hit left, right, and center with every shade of pink. I honestly like that this, even though I'm a pink lover, I am more, when it comes to my blush, more of like an apricot or peach or pinky peach kind of girly. So I do like that I'm seeing not a whole blush palette of pink. I do like that. I do like that it looks like we're getting more of like a, is it satin? No, maybe. Okay, let's just, okay, I honestly, it's kind of, some of them are a little bit more radiant than the other. I actually like this. I was underwhelmed at first. Now, I do think you're really going to, some of the shades you're going to have to build up. I mean, you know me, I'm going to keep it real. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do this one. I don't like this social shade. I feel like it's going to be, yeah, very gray on me. But 2, it might be a good mixer. Absolutely love the shade Visionary. This Visionary shade, freaking gorgeous. This is the one that I knew right away was going to be too gray, muddy, and on me. And in fact, definitely did kind of start getting that muddy look to it. But honestly, I like it. And I could see doing a lot of mixing. Y'all know I love to mix my blushers. So for me, that I like the thought of mixing these, this, that. I might probably not mess with these too much. These are ones that I think, actually this one, yes, this one is a no. So 5 out of 6, that is not too shabby. I do like that. I would have preferred more of like a cardboard type of, but nobody's asking. Nobody's asking, Rhonda. Okay, well, just in case you were asking, I got you. So I think I'm gonna like that blush palette. I do like it. I do appreciate, like I said, it's not over the top pink, 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 pink. As much as your girl obviously loves pink, I literally drive a pink vehicle. I don't like pink blushers. And a lot of the times I feel like when we get these, it's like 6 different shades of pink. I do love the fact that they gave me warmer options in here. So that is good. That is great. That I am appreciating. And let me just tell you, Ipsy! If you could do every month like this box, I would not complain. Okay, I got some shockers that I was curious about, but I didn't have high hopes for. I am now very pleasantly surprised. Very much going to be using the heck out of this. We got dry shampoo. Can I just have this monthly, please? And then the Gloss Oil, heck freaking yeah. And then of course we've got something for the crepey, struggling, mature under eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This was really good. This was a really good one. I'm actually really happy with it. And at the end of the day, if I paid for this box, I would be very pleased. And that was me not picking a lick of nothing. That was all Ipsy. So, Ipsy, 2026, or 2025, you're going out with a bang. I appreciate it. Kudos to you. That was great. I really like it. And let me know y'all's thoughts. What are y'all's thoughts? Are you keeping Ipsy to 2026? Let me know down below if you want to start it for 2026. I will have my affiliate link down below for you guys. This video was not sponsored. They sent me the box to give my honest review. My honest review is, you shocked me, mother truckers. That's all I got for today's pretty long video. It's 15 minutes. How much can she shave off? Probably not much. She talks a lot. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Cheers to 2026 and everything in store. A whole new mother trucking career. When I think about it, I get nervous butterflies. But you know what? When something is your passion and you can see that you know you want to make a change, especially when it comes to women's health and women's hormones, things are going to happen. So anyways, join me on my other channels, join me on my other socials. I appreciate you all for being here. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. And if you don't like me,
to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.